Is your garage door making strange noises or moving jerkily as you open or close it? Chances are, you might be dealing with worn rollers. Rollers are crucial for ensuring that your garage door glides smoothly along its tracks. When these rollers wear out or get damaged, they can cause a lot of noise and uneven movement, making your daily routine inconvenient and possibly posing a safety risk. Don't let a small issue turn into a major headache. If you're in the Wollongong area and are experiencing these symptoms, it's time to call in the experts. Contact us at 04097 74111 to have your garage door assessed and repaired by qualified professionals. Don't wait until it's too late. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and safely today.